All right, here we go. This is our Atenadec School Math Grade 3, Week 8, Lesson 1. Let's start with reviewing our homework. We'll start with page 146. Let's see if you got the right answers. A says 241 times 2. So let's practice that right now. If you didn't already do it with me now. We're writing it in the vertical way. We'll use red. 241 times 2. There we go. So that's how we convert it from horizontal to vertical so we can do it easily. And let's do it. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Our answer is 482. B. 323 times 3. Here we go. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have the answer 969. All right. Next up is C. 432 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 4 is 8. So our answer is 864. Then we got D. 220 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Our answer is 880. Next is E. 1000. Ooh, this one's really easy. I hope you can do it really fast. It's 1008 times 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 0, 0. And 1 times 1 is 1. So our answer is 1008. It's the same as before. F. 2304 times 2. We have 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 3, 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. We have 4,608 is our answer. Okay. Next is G. 3,332 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 and 9. So our answer is 9,996. And last one, super easy. I'm not going to show you again. It's just the same thing if it's multiplied by 1. 8,190. Easy peasy. Now let's take a look at our next page. Oops, I made a big line here. So this is page 147. Let's erase that line. All right, and let's start our review. 408 times 1. Find the product in the expanded form. All right, so this is in the expanded form. So what does that mean? You need to write it down like this. 400, 0, 0, and 8. And then we'll multiply it by 1. Okay, just like that. And then we have to add all of the answers up. Okay, 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 0 is 0. And 1 times 400 is 400. We add this up and we have the same thing, 408. So let's put that right here. Super easy. Let's try it again. We have 100 plus 20 plus 0 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 20 is 80, because 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 100 is 400. So we have 400 plus 80 plus 0 equals 480. So let's put that right here. Okay. If you can't do it horizontally, you can write this down like this. 400 plus 80 plus 0. Okay. 0, 8, 4. And you have your answer. Next is number C. We have 2,210 and 4. Okay, we have the 4, our 10, and our 200. Don't forget your plus signs. And multiply it times 2. And let's add that up on the bottom. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 2 times 10 is 20. Plus 2 times 200 is 400. Plus 2 times 2,000 is 4,000. So now we're adding again. 4,000 plus 400. So we have 4,428. Okay? 4,428. And last one, we have 3,010 and 3 times 3. So we have 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 0, 100 is 0. And 3 times 3,000 is 9,000. There you go. And you have your answer, 9,000, 0, and 39. So we have 9,039. Oops. 9,039. Okay, just like that. Because the hundredths place is 0. Okay. Now, let's find the products in this next part here. All right. So if you want to do this, you can do it quickly in your books. You should check to see if you got the answer correct. The answer is, for A, 0. Anything times 0 equals 0. 900 times, we'll go this way. 121 times 1 is the same thing as the beginning. 1 times anything is the number, the original number. Now we have times 2. 2 times 900. Everything is 0, so we can multiply the 9 times 2, and we have 18. 0, 0. Then we have 302 times 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 0, 0, and 3 times 3 is 9. Next we have 3 times 1 is 3. It's the same. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. 1,200 times 4. So we have 0, 0, 8, and 4. Then we have 1,105 times 5, 5,000, 500, and 5. Because we have 5 times 1, 5 times 0, 5 times 1, 5 times 0. Next we have The same thing again. It's multiplied by 1. 1,107. Next we have 6 times 6. Can you guess what that means? It's 36. And let's bring over these 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Add our comma. And we have 36,000. Next we have 5,001 times 9. 9 times 1 is 9. Then we have our 0. 9 times 5 is 45. So we have 45,009. K, 4,022. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. 16,008. 88. Next we have 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 7 is 27,000. Okay, it'll be a little bit harder if we have to regroup, and that's what we're going to start today, regrouping. So let's take a look on how we can regroup. Well, we have the same thing like before, except this time, when we have 10 ones in one group, we have to add 1 to the tens place. So it's super easy. Right now we have 536, okay? Then we multiply it by 2. So we now have this 2 times, 1 time, 2 times. So now we have 6 and 6. We have left over 2 because one of these goes over here. Let's add these up. We have 7. And over here we have 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have 10, 7, and now we have 2 here. So the answer will be 1,072. But let's look at how we do it. Okay, here we go. We moved over the 10 ones from over here. These 10 ones, 6 plus 6 is 12. And we're left over with 2, because we can't have 12 in the ones place. So we add this one, because we carry the 10 over. And now we have 7 tens. And they're right here. Next, we have the hundreds place. 5 plus 5 is 10. 110 is 1,000. So now we have 0 in the hundreds place and 1 in the thousands place. So let's put our 1 here and our 0 here. Perfect. Just like we said before. Super easy. All right, so now that you saw how easy it is, I want you to practice this for homework. And your homework is right here. Homework page 152. Write down all of the questions in the vertical way so you can do it very easy. So for an example, let me help you. You will write 685 like this. Oh, that's not a good color. You will write 685 like this. Let me make it a bit bigger for you. Uh-oh. All right, there we go. So you're going to write 685. Oops. All right, just like this, times 7. Make your line and then multiply across, okay? And you're going to do the same thing for all of the rest. Okay, so you'll write 780 times 8 and answer the question underneath. Okay, 990 times 9. 869 times 5. Do that all on your own. And that is due before you watch the next video. Okay? Do this first, and then you can watch the next video. That's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.